Weaknesses: Sulfur, there actually is a pretty good chance be captured again. If they escape the Foundation, we'll just have to watch out for news of pre-cooling limbs, track the things down, surround them in Sulfur, and boom daddy, they're back in captivity. They were caught once they can be caught again. Thank you for watching Life's Biggest Questions. I hope this was interesting and informative and maybe inspired you to look into it further on your own. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe and all that jazz down below, right down there. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see now. Before I go, here are some of my favorite comments from my last video. Naya or Nia Senpai said, "I'm curious. Did you guys do What If Doctor Who Was Real?" Actually no, but I would absolutely love to. I'm working on getting some Doctor Who videos up here, but I don't have the final say. And what gets done, fingers crossed. Obsidian Ingot said, "Who, that's it for me, guys. So until next time, I'm Ron McKenzie lafurgey with Life's Biggest Questions, wishing you the best of luck on your quest for answers."